Have you a question? Yesterday night, I think all questions disappear. It was my feeling. No more question now, but you can. We play.
One question.
Yes.
Babaji, you said that when we walk the path of awareness, then we can feel pain and suffering coming up sometimes. Then I felt a lot of pain and suffering when I walk the path of awareness, when I try to witness my own emotions, navigate through the world. And then before I read Osho, he was speaking that there are criteria for, if you want to see if you're progressing in a right way, the criteria is that you're getting more blissful with time. So I feel a contradiction in these two approaches. So I'm not sure. Am I supposed to be more blissful, but a path of awareness brings more pain and misery also? And Osho says, if you want to see, you are growing properly, अगर आप ध्यान पे अच्छे प्रगति कर रहे हैं तो आपको ज़्यादा आनंद की अनुभूति होती रहेगी. अगर आपको आनंद की अनुभूति नहीं हो रही तो शायद आप कुछ गलत कर रहे हैं.
ज़्यादा
अगर आपको आनंद की अनुभूति नहीं हो रही जीवन में तो इसका मतलब आप ध्यान को कुछ गलत तरीके से कर रहे हैं. ऐसा मैंने सुना, ओशो ने बोला. तो उसमें कुछ विरोधाभास लग रहा है मुझे कि पेन सफरिंग भी आती है. ओशो बोलते हैं कि अगर आपका ध्यान सही जा रहा है तो आपको आनंद जीवन में घटना चाहिए और बढ़ना चाहिए.
तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि जी
विरोधाभास.
विरोधाभास.
हाँ जी. उसमें पीड़ा आती है, ध्यान में पीड़ा भी आती है.
There will be sure pain. Yesterday night I was talking about that. You have some foreign material. That material you have no need. And it is lot. You have I can say very much darkness. It creates this all kind of things. But you have a very less flame for that. In starting, you will have a problem because you have a very less capacity to digest your emotion, your negativity, or many things. But sooner or later, if you are aware, also said should be happiness during the meditation. If you know this thing, what happened with you? Just like you are in cleaning process. You are in cleaning process. Your mind has a misunderstanding. All kinds of things are happening around of you. This is only the cleaning process. So, same time it seems like a very painful, but sooner or later, when you will be aware, then you can digest these all things. People have not right understanding, they have a complaint, and they have this idea also said that there will be happiness. If no more happiness, it means you are going wrong. This is your question.
Yes.
But deep down, just like a woman born the baby, it seems very painful. But she accepts it because she knows what is happening there. If she has a broad mind, then she will accept it. This pain belong to happiness, belong to bliss. When baby come out from the womb, the mother feel very nice. Very nice. So everything going like this actually. But our understanding, only people has a one dimension. When they are there, they have no broad mind. If someone has a broad mind, they can understand like a baby, like a mother. It's okay. This pain only for a moment. Only for a moment. If you have this understanding, then same time you will feel happiness during the process also. Because this is one of the great experience when somebody become a mother, born a baby. And you are also becoming a mother. You have something in your womb. And it will come out. This is the process. It want to come out. Just like baby want to come out through you. And whole things change. Then baby come out, then everything change there. This whole things when you will pass, you will digest, then it will convert to different way. So if understanding is right, don't complain during the meditation. If people are living in meditation, what happening there? Everything is very significant, even pain. When you will be free from the pain, then you can see it was beautiful. But if you have a right understanding, then same time also you can say it is very beautiful happening. Because something happening through you. Because you have a pregnancy. You surprise. Everybody has pregnancy. And this pregnancy since long time. And it want to come out. Or you are the barrier because of the negativity. Because you don't want to pass this. When you accept as it is, it's okay. Nothing is going wrong in your life in any moment. Everything going like this actually. You surprise. Yesterday I was talking. When somebody realize, then can feel. Everything was proper. Any kind of incident happen in your life, it was in your favor. And this moment also anything happen with you, it is in your favor. But you can understand little late. When it will pass, then pain will be no more there, then you will be there. You can feel it. But this is again one part of the coins. If you are very intelligent and very aware, then same time you can feel two parts. Pain cannot exist without happiness. And happiness cannot exist without pain. They are supporting each other. They are not two poles. They are exactly one. Our understanding, just like if people are using only mind, and mind always choose the one dimension. Mind has no capacity to see other dimension. just like a coins is there, then you can see this part and other part in darkness. Then it will come out, then this is right and other part is again darkness. But you become a cone, then you can see the both part together. If you become a cone, then both part together. The pain and happiness together. And you are something else. You never be pain. You never be happiness. Surprise. But mind want. When you are in pain, want to be happy. And deep down you are happy, want to be painful. You don't know this mystery. This is the mind trick. One can live in happiness longer. I think this is my experience with people. People can live longer in pain than happiness. If they are living in happiness, they will choose something. Something very bad for unhappiness. You surprise. Long time, whole day, you can live in pain. Whole day. I know the people. For big people can live in pain. But nobody can live in happiness in a day. Whole day. Means people are saying this thing, but they have no this understanding. How can live longer in happiness? When you will have this understanding, pain and happiness are same part for one coins. The reality, you are the third. You know one thing, what you are doing. 100% you can do, 100% you involve there. No one can 100% involve in any activity. Certain part always out. Even, I again say, somebody going to making a love, very deeper, but certain part outside. Because you are always in witness. 100% you cannot be doer. Certain part always witness. That's why you can come out from all kind of nonsense things. Because certain part is out. You cannot involve 100% with anything. Not in love also, not in hate also, not in pain also, not in happiness also. Because these are only the drama. And the reality, you are always witness there. Always witness. Because of the witness, you will come back. Otherwise, once you merge with this unhappiness, how can you come out? It means certain part always out, and it will pull you from this unhappiness or from happiness. So reality is not happiness. Reality is not unhappiness. Reality, you are beyond the both part. You are out. Always out. This is natural phenomena. By nature you have this witness. By birth, you cannot be fully involved with anything. You have this experience even in love also. That's why people say something was not complete. Something was remains because of nothing can be perfect in the world. Because you cannot fully involve there. If once you can involve there, then you cannot come back. So thanks God, existence created the very beautiful creation. Your witness, always there, always. It goes less or more. Sometimes you are in more witness. Sometimes you are in less witness. You are saying happiness or unhappiness. When you are more witness than happiness, you are little less witness than unhappiness. You surprise. Happiness itself not exists, and unhappiness itself not exists. These all exist because of the witness. When you are very much unaware, very tiny awareness, then you will get a problem. When you are aware, then problem solved. Itself, problem has a no existence. You surprise. No any problem has a own existence. Existence, it create exists. It seems like it exists because less awareness. For example, you are going to dark place and you are feeling, you have a fear with a snake, and during the way you got a rope, and rope seems like a snake. What is the reason? Darkness, unawareness. When you will have a light, then snake disappear. There will be only rope. You can enjoy it. So all kind of pain and all kind of the problem. In my language, nobody has problem. And nobody has happiness. Because itself, happiness cannot exist. Itself, unhappiness cannot exist. It depends with your witness. When you are in less witness, lot of problem around of you. When you are in more witness, many problems solve in front of you. Just like darkness disappear. And you can see agitate everything. When darkness is there, then mind is working. Maybe this, maybe that. What is the problem? There is no clarity in your life. Sometimes you feel this is good, this will be bad. Maybe I succeed, maybe I not succeed. Like this. This is quality of less witness. And you are suffering unnecessary. Or you want to solve this problem, there you can't solve it. When you will come this way, automatically it will be solved. When you will have a more light, when you will have a more awareness, problem disappear. You laugh it. So unnecessary people are suffering here. And they have many reason for suffering. Many cause. No any cause. No any reason. Problem is problem because of the darkness. This understanding is there. If you have this right understanding, it's called right understanding. When one has a right understanding, immediately you can be free from all kind of nonsense things. Don't touch there. Come here. Don't touch. Don't think about that. I have a very much pain. This problem or that. If you are going there, then you are creating more intensive the problem. So when you come out from this way, very easy. Then you laugh. Without any reason, without any doing your problem solved. Sometimes people comes to me, sometimes, and they are crying, I have a very much problem. From this, from that, from this, from that. Then relaxedly I am listening. Okay, your problem. Then I start my job. I am talking, and slowly, during my talk, people can get more awareness. Automatically, when you are with me, and really you are listening me, then slowly you will become a more witness. And you will be in witness, problem solved. Then the last I ask, where is the problem? Many times it happened. Surprise. Many times it happened. Then somebody has a problem, then I can come to me. We will share little bit. We enjoy it. Your problem. You can give me this problem. No problem. Because I know there is no problem. Only less witness. So remember, if you want a good life, don't do anything for good life. Otherwise, you will do anything for good life and bad life automatic happen. Automatic happen. You can, because this is the quality of the mind. Mind cannot live in one dimension. Mind want to change the dimension. When you are living in bad, one day you will come to good. This like a change the gestalt. This is not real life. That's why unnecessary, my feeling, unnecessary people are suffering. They don't know the art of life. The art of life, you can do all kind of things, but come out. When you remember how can come out from this, then you can come here, then everything disappear. Your goodness, your badness, your miseryness, many things disappear. So this is the key of the life. So always remember your witness. Don't remember your pain, your problem. People are repeating. And when you repeat the problem, it will be more bigger and bigger and bigger. And when you want to keep your happiness, it will be disappear. Because happiness you cannot keep in your hand. It is not solid like a pen. Pen is solid little. You can keep hours, no problem. You can keep for a week. But happiness, you cannot catch in your hand. When you try to keep in your hand, it will be disappear. So when happiness comes, people has doubt. How long it will be? And sooner or later it disappears. Happiness. When somebody making a love with someone, they have this doubt also. This love will be disappears. I don't know when. If you have this idea, you can enjoy love. Everybody has this idea, it can disappear. Because you have lot of experience. So, my feeling is this, that these all things people are doing, and he was talking very serious his question. This problem, this is this. It's okay. But deep down, in this moment, very much this moment, you have any problem?
No.
We are gone. Why you repeat in your mind? You use through memory. This is the habit. People use lot of problem through memory only. They are not exist. Only because of the memory, it seems like a real. Because you are in this moment, you are the real, then you can put unreal in front of the real, it will become a real. Understand what I am saying? And mostly, you cannot put your happiness from your past to this moment. Mostly people are putting in front of this moment nonsense things. And in front of you, because you are the alive. This moment is alive. When memory comes in front of this moment, it seems like a real. You surprised. It is not real. Because of you, this is real. When you will become a witness, it will be disappear. Because it was only the memory. Nothing was there. Mostly people are suffering through memory, not reality. And you manage real. Then it will be in front of you. It will pass in front of you. You want to keep it, to know. And you will suffer, sure. And happiness, very rarely you have any memory from happiness. Mostly happiness did not create the memory. When people goes in past, there is pain, 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 pain. And not happiness. That's why you are sitting alone. You have no memory about happiness. You have many memory about like this actually. It will come in front of you, it seems like real. So, always you are free. Friend, always you are free. Little bit key, little bit understanding. How can live in life? Don't fight, don't think, don't repeat. Just when you are possessed by your past, then immediate alert. Go back. Don't think. If you are starting, you did starting about manage this thing, then difficult to be aware. So immediate without gap. When things are coming, unconscious mind attack to you, then immediate you go out. It's okay. I am free with this all things. And within a second problem solved. Within a second. That's why I am saying, I am doing this job actually. When people have a headache or many things. Sometimes my wife has a problem. Something, then I say, sit here. Be quiet. Within a 5-minute problem solved. Otherwise, wife problem solved. This is miracle. This is miracle. But it's solved. Then I said, thanks also. What vision you have it. Then everything can solve. If you can solve your friend's problem, your girlfriend, boyfriend problem, then you can solve the many problems. Very easy to solve them. Because here, just like you have a girlfriend, you don't want to be free and you cannot digest. Both things are happening. And you don't want to be free from her. It's pain, but it's okay. It goes longer. So, real key, aware about this. Immediate aware about this. Then you live with your girlfriend really. Because you are not living without love. There will be real love. If you have a doubt with someone, then can be love there? There is no love. When you have this idea, that I will be free with this everything sexually, then you allow. Easy to allow. Then there will be real love. You understand my meaning? Maybe my language is going like this. So, little difficult. Now you understand your answer?
Yes.
Or not? Thank you. So, anybody else has a... But same talk I will do it. What is my job, you know? I want to touch you. I want to throw you to you. I don't want like this actually. I push you because you are here and there. And I push you to your center. So, which question, which answer? This is not a question. I can do many answers, but this is my game. I will touch you, with you. And you are dreaming here and there. So I don't like live in your dream. It's not good. So immediately your dream disappear and you touch yourself. Then my job finished. Then I ask, where is the problem? Because you are never in problem. Never. Since your birth to now, no one has a problem. You can be problem, they never solve. Problem only project because of unawareness. When you will be more aware, the projection disappear. And projection, only projection, not real. But mind said this is real. And you want to witness from others. I am very suffering. What do you say about it? Like this. And somebody is very sympathetic. Yes, yes, I know, I have also suffered. Like this. Then it will be double. Because you have a trust about the problem. This is a real problem. Because somebody has said like that. So you will have a trust. Like this, life is going like this. When you will be alone, you can face it, then it will be disappear. So my feeling, friends, no one has a problem. Any time you are free, it seems like a problem. Because of the dream. Little bit aware, little bit understanding, and you laugh. Then you enjoy. So sometimes people comes to me, then I enjoy very much. They are sweating like this, feeling something very bad, and big story. They explain big story. Looking, yes, okay. They explain. Then I start my job. I push you to you. Our dream disappear. Then you have no problem. Never. You can say it was the memory. Only memory. But this moment, memory not attack, memory is not burden. You are free. And you are always free. That's why I am saying 100% nobody can merge anywhere. Your certain part always out. And you choose that part always out. Never 100% you can merge with anything. Any kind of problem and any type of happiness and any kind of incident. You are always out in a one part. 99 part is here, only one part. And one part is very powerful than 99. It will catch you back. That's why 1 week before there was big problem. Who will take care? And after the 1 week you are out from that. It means 100% was not there. Certain part out. That's why certain part can create this. This is existence work. I love existence. What a creation. You can do all kind of nonsense thing, but certain part is out. And you choose this part, you aware about this part, then everything coming out. You can go back to you. Maybe you understand what is my meaning. You mark sometime, even when you are very deep in love also. There also 100% you cannot go. If 100% you can merge anywhere, you will die. 100% only people can die. Or people can enlighten in 100%. But during this life, nothing can happen 100% with you. Even problem, even sorrow, even miseryness, even this or that. That's why very easy to treatment. Very easy to do treatment because certain part is very beautiful. So somebody touch your certain part and coming up, then certain part can clean everything. Right? It is always out. Maybe you understand what is my meaning. You watch in the life now. When you are crying or something happening, then watch 100% or something out. Otherwise, how can you understand something is happening there? So you go beyond little bit then slowly, 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 slowly problem goes like this. Or you are free. So now around 1:45.
Anybody has any quick questions?
More question?
Okay, so
You have 1,000 questions, I have one answer. I have not many answers. It is my drama to going with this way, this way, this way, but I have only one answer. And I can go slow. In starting, I will do some drama, talk here and there. Then later, I will reach to proper point, and that is the proper answer actually. Any question, that's why I allow people, you can ask any question. I have one answer only. So this is not a question, which kind of question? In the darkness, you can ask this thing, this thing, this thing, this thing. When I will talk about the light, then all kind of question disappear. They will become an answer. Because light is the answer. Darkness is the question. So in darkness, which variety question, who worry about it? So I am not much worry about what you will ask. I know. Anything can come from darkness, no problem. But real answer is light. When you will talk with me, slowly, slowly your light open. Slowly, slowly. If you are really listening to me, then automatically you will have a light. Then your question finished. Not only your, for others also finished. People can feel no more question in this moment. Then again, when you go get out from this, then again you can choose the darkness. This is your great type. Can choose many things. मेरे ख्याल से अब समय नहीं हुआ ये फोन बज रहा है अभी इनको सेलिब्रेशन कराओ So now the time of celebration.
So
We enjoy.
Yeah, so just 1 second. So Baba is going to be leaving today. There will be a small meditation and probably a small question and answer on Tuesday at the Queen's Center. And after that, I'm not sure when Baba will be coming back, but he promised us, he promised Narinder Mukham and me that when this new center will be up, he will come for the inauguration. So I'm asking if any one of you would like to give any energy into this. Please reach me out at some point after this.
This is the beautiful dream.
It is.
Means people can live knowingly in dream. And dream will be exist, it's okay. Or not exist, okay. Dream is dream. It called choiceless awareness. You choose. Because if you don't choose, then how can you move? How can you play this life? So you choose. But things are happening beautiful, not happening more beautiful. Really, this is the mystery. Things are happening very beautiful. We enjoy. And things are not happening, then more enjoy. So, when somebody asks, you will come here, then I said, yes, come. If it is happening, this is my karma, it's okay, I will come. And existence don't want, then I will not come, then also I enjoy very much. Because if something is happened, then little bit drama is there. Or something is not happened, then much beautiful. There is purity, always purity. Don't very much run about anything. Remember it. Things are happening, enjoy it. not in happening, more enjoy it. It called choiceless choice. Choiceless. You choose. But your choice is not fill up, then you enjoy a little more. So people are allowed to do choice, because without choice, how can live in the life? Go in choice, play choice. If not happen, then more enjoy. Thanks existence. Just like, for example, you give me your watch, you know. No. Then I will take this watch, then my attention starts here. If you say no need to, then I will be more free. Because I have no more attention here actually. You understand me? You have a girlfriend, enjoy it. You have no girlfriend, more enjoy it. Because you are free with many nonsense things actually. So thanks God. And you will get, this is your karma. Enjoy it. Do fulfill this karma. And not happen, then enjoy very much. Because there is purity. Nothingness is more pure than something. So people should do work like this. People live like this actually in the life. They will have a problem because there is no future. Just you are playing. This play is success, it's okay. Because this is only the play. Just like he is doing ashram. You know. This is my suggestion, my dream also. But I told him, he live like this. It will happen, enjoy, not happen, more enjoy. Then, since starting, you will be free. You can enjoy since starting. So life is moment to moment, also said. Moment to moment. You choose it to enjoy. But not success, then more enjoy. Like this. This is my theme. If people can understand this, then nobody have any problem. Problem in future. Problem, you choose something, it cannot happen problem. Why problem it cannot happen? It cannot happen. You enjoy it. But no one has this understanding. If not happen, then whole day finish. They are trying to how can succeed. And co-accident, you sometimes succeed, sometimes not succeed. But you are ready to live like this, then you are really success. You are getting, you are success. You are not getting, you are success. You are always in success. Success means always enjoy. No barrier. Nothing is barrier. You have an expectation. It cannot fulfill. You will have a problem. What problem? This is your expectation. So, can get back. Because you choose. Why you did not drop it? But once you choose, you follow it. It should go longer. Then you run behind. This is, it called nonsense story actually. If it is happening, it's okay, you enjoy it. Because existence love you. So existence do according to you. You want to according to mind, according to expectation. Otherwise, according to you, until now, everything happened around of you. Everything you have it, according to you. But according to mind, you said, since many years I am thinking about, could not get. This is miseryness in my language. According to you, you are here and now very perfect, very perfect. You have it, but you have need. So he is going, my blessing, but with understanding. अब सेलिब्रेशन करो दूसरा टॉपिक आएगा नहीं.
Okay. So, anyone wants to take a quick pee or break?